Hi, today I'm making stuffed tomato egg salad. I had all these Easter eggs left, and so I wanted to mix them up into a quick egg salad. So I just chopped up the 5 Easter eggs, and I added a quarter cup of green onion to the chopped egg, I should say. Next, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of mustard. It can be any kind of mustard that you like. Mine's a standard. I add a tablespoon of relish and then 2 teaspoons of mayo. Then I add just a pinch of celery salt as well as a dash of dill into the mixture. I'm then going to take my tomato and I'm going to cut it in half, like you see here. And once I cut it in half, I'm going to sort of scoop out the middle of the tomato. And what that does is I scoop out all the seeds. And then I'm going to fill it with the egg salad mixture. And so this is a way that when I'm entertaining, if I have a bridal shower or a baby shower, this is one of the dishes that I might make. It's festive, it's easy, it's inexpensive, and it's a good way to get rid of your Easter eggs. So it just needs a little salt and pepper, and you're ready to go.